our program religiously. But if you haven't, this was the drought monitor before March brought us so much precipitation. So this was early March, and I really think this is worth showing again and again, just because we are making improvements. I know it feels like a slow climb out of the deficit, but we're making some big improvements. What I want you to focus on here is all this red across most of the eastern plains and even up towards northern Colorado. Notice here as we transition to the latest drought monitor, not only have we have dropped down to only a tier 1 and tier 2 for drought monitor, which is good. So that's the lowest category to the second lowest category for parts of the Pikes Peak region. We still have some severe drought across parts of Pueblo County, but we're not into the red, which is extreme to exceptional. We still have concerns across Los Animas County and parts of the mountains, of course, but we are making some strides, and that is certainly some good news. So for all of you that say, gosh, these meteorologists, they say it all the time, I'm thankful for the moisture, and you just want to get some sunshine, which I completely understand, but we are making those strides, and that is certainly a good thing. As we look ahead, Friday, we've got this next little wave of energy coming in across the Pacific Northwest that will actually contribute to giving us more of a flow of moisture into the state, and that will contribute to a few showers and thunderstorms. And notice how that wave really becomes a bit more pronounced, digging across northern California by Saturday, which could actually lead to a couple stronger storms for us across parts of the Pikes Peak region and the eastern plains. But for right now, we are trending under dry conditions. Most of what you're looking at here across southern Colorado in the form of rain is not even reaching the surface. So we'll keep the surface dry this evening. Tomorrow after 3 p.m. though, we do have a general thunderstorm risk here across I-25 in the mountains. More of those stronger storms across parts of the eastern plains. And then Saturday, notice that marginal risk really moves in towards the mountains and the El Paso County locations and the Palmer Divide, Pueblo, and across the eastern plains. This is where those dark green shaded areas, we could see a couple strong to severe storms late Saturday afternoon and into the early evening hours. So we still have some partly sunny skies for Friday. Couple big boomers after 3 p.m. But we'll be very isolated and only confined to that 3 to 8 p.m. time frame. And then by Saturday, some of us are waking up with some partly cloudy skies across the eastern plains. Still some sunshine here for us Saturday morning, but then right in those peaking hours between about 3 and 8 p.m., we'll start to see some storms rolling off the Rampart Range and parts of the eastern plains. Some of these storms could produce some gusty winds in excess of about 58 miles per hour or more, especially as they gel together and push across parts of Lincoln County and areas just north of Highway 50 late Saturday evening. So all that to say, we're going to continue with temperatures in the 70s to near 80 degrees, especially for the eastern plains. And we're going to have those days where partly sunny skies are in the forecast for the first half, and then into the afternoon, we're going to introduce storms, and that is going to return as early as tomorrow and then lingering through the weekend. We will have the chance for more scattered showers and storms for Woodland Park Sunday and Monday of next week. Notice here, even heading into Tuesday and Wednesday, not looking like a complete washout for storms every consecutive day next week for Woodland Park, but certainly need to watch Sunday and Monday. We could have some ponding on the roadways and things to that degree, but more moisture always a good thing. And thankfully, we will have plenty of sunshine ahead of it. I think we've earned it at this point, but our lawns are sure going to love it. It's nice to see things really getting a bit greener across the state. Can't wait till Rob's down here at 6 to talk about grass and lawn care.
He loves the lawn talk, doesn't he?
Yes.
Oh my. Well, Mary, thank you. I'll have to